Hello students, welcome back. In today's video we are going to solve one more very important problem from module 5. This question is chosen from the model question paper of VTU, that is 1BMATMECS201. Compulsory question in the examination, Simpson's one-third rule. It's a very easy one. The problem here given is evaluate integral 4 to 5.2 log x dx by 6 equal parts using Simpson's one-third rule. Now first, for solving these problems we need to find, you need to go step by step, so please follow carefully how I do. So please write as I write in the examination. You will guarantee get full marks, full 67 marks, okay, my guarantee. Now first we find h. What is h basically? H is b minus a over n. See here number of interval is n here. Here n is equal to 6 because they given 6 equal parts and is even. Okay, if it's odd, then minus 1. Okay, so h is equal to b minus a by n. So we have 5.2 minus 4 divided by 6. So that will be equal to, let's find it. Always use calculator. So 5.6 it's 5.2 minus 4 over 6 is equal to 0.2. Now evaluate so and so 4 to 5/2. See the down limit is what? 4. Be careful with this here. Many questions telling you 0. So many students, they make mistake, they start from 0. Nothing. Okay. So see the limit here. It starts from 4 to 5. So between 4 to 5/2, I am dividing into 6 equal parts. Each part size is what? What we found? H 0.2. That's it. So we have this as, see, x and whatever is inside excluding ds, that is what? F of x or y. So y is equal to log x. Fine. Now we start from 4, then each size we divide from 4 to 5/2, 5.2 into 6 equal parts. Each part size we found is 0.2. Okay. So 4, 4.2, 4.4, 4.6, 4.8, 5, 5.2. Perfect. Okay. Now let's fill this table now. We'll find a value of log of 4, 4.2, 4.4 and fill the table. Be careful here, very important thing one more time. See, whenever they give log x, no, in the calculator, see, whenever they give log, it's always to the base e. In the calculator, you have to press the ln button always because it's natural log. What? ln button. Because many students have seen, they feel excited, log, so simple, log of log ln this button. So they'll press that button and fill the entire table. Wrong, they'll get 0 marks. Don't do that. So only if they give log to the base of something, say log to the base 10, then only use log. Otherwise, if plain log is given, is always to the base e, always use natural log rather than ln here. Correct? Okay. Now ln of 4, ln of 4 is equal to, write it down. So we have 1.3863. Okay, it's 6 to 9. I'll take 6.3. Then ln of 4.2 is 1.4351. It's 508. So 51. Then ln of 4.4 is equal to 1.4816. Then we have ln of 4.6, do step by step, it's 1.5261. Then we have ln of 4.8, it's 1.5686. Then we have ln of 5, it's 1.6094. Then we have ln of 5.2, it is 1.64866. 1.64866. Okay. So we have all the values here now. Now these are the values for what? See, we found the values. These are the values for y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6, 6 parts, 6 intervals. Now the Simpson's if you refer the theory which I gave in previous videos, please do refer the playlist. Again, simple form to remember for Simpson's one-third rule. So Simpson's one-third rule is given as, right here, Simpson's one-third rule is used for multiples of 2. 2 in the 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Simpson's one-third rule is what we can simply write as, that is integration of a to b y dx is equal to, so very simple form, it is h by 3 y naught plus yn plus 4 into all o means odd, okay, I'll just explain that, plus 2 into all evens. This is a very simple formula to remember, okay. Therefore, that implies integration of 4 to 5.2 log of x dx is equal to, what's h? Alright, first the formula h by 3 y naught plus, what's the last term? It's y6 plus 4 into, which are all odds, odd means y1, y3, y5, that's all, y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 into all the events, what are the events here? y2, y4, y2 plus y4 and y6. I have already taken y6, so don't take it. So once you take it, don't take again. See, y0 plus last term is y6, 4 into all terms are y1, y3, y5 and even is y2, y4. So y6 I have already taken it, don't take it. That's all. So this is my general formula. Therefore, that implies h is what? 0.2 over 3 into, let's put the values here, 1.3863 plus 1.64866, 1.3863, 1.64866, write clearly, 4 into 1.4351 plus 1.5261 plus 1.6094 plus 2 into, what are the events? 1.4816 plus y4 is 1.5686. That's all. Okay. So let's evaluate this using calculator. So we have bracket 1 point, put the brackets here properly, 1.3863. You also do side by side with me the evaluation, plus 1.64866 plus 4 into bracket 1.4351 plus 1.5261 plus 1.6094 bracket close plus 2 into 1.4816 plus 1.5686 is equal to into 0.2 is equal to divided by 3 is equal to, see, I am getting the answer here as 1.82785. So let's 1.82785. Let's verify this answer here. Okay, if it's correct or wrong. How to verify? You can use a calculator, whichever you have, FX991ES plus second edition, or the other one is FX991 CW. So both the calculators are available. You can use any of them. I'll show you here. I already shown this before also. So for FX991ES plus, now you just go to, yeah, there's direct sign integration here and ln of x, right? So ln of alpha x, go down, limit is 4 to it's 5.2 equals, okay, 1.82784 110% perfect. 1.82784 7 is nothing but 1.82785. Round it off. That's it. Okay. Similarly, we can use also your Casio classes, that is 991 CW. There also, no, you need to go to home, then calculate, then you go to catalog, function analysis. There's an integration here. Okay. Again plus ln ln, there is a ln here. Yeah, here it's in yellow, golden color. So for to record a golden one, no, press shift learn, then x directly given x. Please practice in a calculator. Go down 4 to it's 5.2. Execute. So 1.827847 or 85. That's the answer. 100% accurate. So that implies we have 4 to complete answer 5.2 log of x dx equals to 1.82785. That's all according to Simpson's 130. That's the solution. Okay, I hope you clearly understood the solution here. Please practice it. Apart from this, practice more problems from the playlist. There's a probability that those questions may be asked in examination. So that's all. Again, see you in the next video. Please keep yourself updated on my Facebook and Instagram page for the important question paper for all modules, and also I'll be uploading the complete solution of 1BMATMECS201 on my channel. So please stay updated. Till then, practice well, study hard. Bye.